She's just a small town girl, living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit.
Hey, Justin, hold up. I think I finally figured out why Scots on the Rocks has never been quite as popular as some other a cappella groups on campus.
Why is that?
Because we've never done one of these silly 4-chord songs.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Oh, Justin. Over the last 40 years, any popular song has been made with just 4 chords.
What 4 chords?
Those 4.
So you tell me with those 4 chords we can recreate any of the hip-hop songs from the last 40 years?
That is exactly what I'm saying.
Prove it to me.
People killing, people dying, children couldn't hear them crying. Can you practice what you preach? Can you turn the other?
I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. She will be loved.
I think I would understand.
Pictures of you, pictures of me, hung upon your wall for the world to see.
And you are amazing, and we did amazing things. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you.
My love is brilliant, my love is pure. I saw an angel, of that I'm sure.
Am I not pretty enough? Is my heart too broken?
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me.
I'm starting with the man in the mirror.
Once a jolly strange man came along the billabong.
And now I know she's playing with me. Well, that's okay, cause I got no self-esteem. It's gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. Since you've got 100 men or more can ever do. Take on me, take me home.
Can't read my, no, you can't read my poker face.
Let's go party. Let's go party.
Forever young, and I wanna be forever young. No one can get in the way of what I'm feeling.
I'm all out of faith. This is how I feel. I'm cold and I'm ashamed. I'm naked on
It's too late to apologize. It's too late.
'cause I can't live without you.
I'm more than a